In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change my master password in 1password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, plus a few tips to make the process smooth and secure. First, open your preferred web browser and search for 1password. Click the official 1password website in the results. This ensures you're on the real site and helps you avoid any lookalikes. Once the page loads, head to the sign-in area. Now log in with your account. Enter your email and your current master password and complete any two-factor prompt if you have it enabled. It's important to note that your master password is the key to your vault, so keep it private and make sure you're signing in from a trusted device and network. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon or initials. Click that to open your account menu. From there, choose Manage Account. This takes you to your account settings where you control your security preferences. Inside your account settings, find the option to change your password. It may be labeled Change Password or Change Master Password, and it typically appears under a Security or Password section. Click that to begin. You'll first be asked to enter your current master password. Type it carefully. This step confirms it's really you making the change and protects your account if someone else has access to your device. Next, enter your new master password. Choose something strong and memorable. A good approach is a long passphrase made of several unrelated words, plus a few numbers or symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other accounts and don't include easily guessed details like birthdays or simple sequences. If you see a password strength meter, use it as a guide and aim for a strong rating. If there's an option to reveal what you typed, use it briefly to double check for typos, then hide it again. Once you're confident in your new master password, click the button to change your password. The site will process your request and show a confirmation message when it's successful. You may be asked to sign in again with your new password, and on some devices you could be prompted to re-authenticate, which is normal. That's it. You searched for 1password, logged in, went to your profile, opened Manage Account, selected Change Password, entered your current password, set a new one, and confirmed the change. Keep your new master password safe in your memory, and you'll be all set for your next sign-in. Thanks for watching.